Oh, shit.
Welcome to our podcast with our guest, Dr. Ronson Ramos.
With San Miguel flavored niya doon. Flavored beer.
Okay.
Pa, first question. What does it take to become a doctor?
It takes one bottle of San Miguel flavored beer.
Ganun ang makukuha mong sagot kapag Doctor of Philosophy. PhD.
Nice.
Ilang taon ka sa serbisyo pa bago ka naging doktor?
It takes 18 years and several sticks of barbecue.
PhD. What a degree, man.
Speechless na po ang host natin. Agpakilala ka pa lang.
Pa, pakilala ti sarili.
Ala na, what parang tugtog ulit
Good evening, my dear listener, for those who listens to me.
Podcast.
My name is Mr. Ramos, Papa of Johari Ragtech, who has a patient, Mr. Managdindin. For now, we are protonizing, what is this? Barbecue. So, and we are enjoying right now, and that is the essence for being PhD. Okay.
Pa, question. Why did you choose PhD rather than EDD or Doctorate Education?
EDD means Doctor of Education, while PhD means preparing for a healthy death.
What that? DEBT?
DEBT.
I like the answers. Yun yung mga answer ng PhD. Pag PhD yung kausap mo, gano'n ang makukuha mong answer.
Or else, if you are not preparing for a healthy death, PhD means puro hangin ang dala.
Kuswa,
Yes.
I have a question for you. Why MMSU?
I have done. I know that it is the.
Can you straighten your arms?
Okay. Ah!
I-vlog mo aja eh. Can you straighten your arms?
Discab na nagkuhan. Nagungap man nun. Dara dito.
Oh, why MMSU?
No.
I know that this is the first time that they will
You are doing
implement
nonsense.
the RadTech program, and even though they are short-staffed, as they are still looking for
ChatGPT.
wala po o wala. They're still looking for clinical instructors and professors to teach RadTech. I know that they will select the best quality teachers to produce the best quality products that will be the pride of Mariano Marcos State University. And that will be me. Thank you.
Pang
Miss Universe.
Pang galing.
That would be all. Well, sa may...
Why RadTech?
To be completely honest, at first, I was hesitant on choosing what kind of course I wanted to pursue and what I wanted to take on your university. But then, one of my cousin which is also a RedTech right now,
Encourages.
persuaded me to take it.
Premedicated answer sa ita.
Why ka Rod? Why? Why?
Why? Answer the question.
Because of my condition right now.
Yes, I want to diagnose myself. Diagnose ba?
No.
What?
Ang nagda-diagnose lang doktor.
Physician.
I want to help my doctor to diagnose myself.
Yeah, that's right. Yeah.
Here.
Can you see the tocino here? Pampangas best. Ang question ko sa'yo, why did you choose to become a teacher?
They say that being a teacher
May tama ba to? 3% lang natin.
is the unsung hero of the nation because they nurture the young minds of the Filipino learners. That's why I intend to be one of them. Thank you so much.
Wow.
Why pharma? Because I want to teach my mother to use the drug properly.
Not to...
Because she uses her medicines improperly, like losartan.
Give example.
Losartan is a maintenance drug,
Okay.
but she uses it as needed. Right? What happened, Mama?
What happened?
Losartan, right? Yes.
Mama, why did you do that? Yung kahit ang mic. Yeah. Did you know that? Lagay ba?
How do
lecture.
you use losartan?
You lecture her
How do you use your losartan?
as needed.
That's the side effect of using losartan improperly. You cannot hear that.
That's an effect of being a boomer.
Yes. Oh, i-rate mo. Rate. Ano? See the difference, Liam.
The nose is...
Okay, outfit check as a driver for today.
Outfit check. Outfit check. Outfit pang Pontis. Oh, outfit pang Carlos Yulo.
Gas na yung pan ito, guys. Paano mo na mamaya? Yan o. Marunong mo na mamaya.
Pilosopo.
Alam nyo, bata pa lang ako, PhD na si Papa. Pilosopo na.
Ngayon, kinarero.
Kinarir ang pagka-pilosopo. Ayan, naka-code.
Keep it up.
Oh,
Flexible.
bossing.
Ay, yung pinicturean mo? Kailan nagpa-picture? Hapon! Kailan? Amen.